at this seahorse. This seahorse is orange. Yes. Yes, you remember. So beautiful. And this one, it's similar to this one because it is colorful. Yes, it's a rainbow seahorse. Rainbow seahorse, como el arco iris. El caballito de mar arco iris, the rainbow seahorse. Very good. And then, what is happening there? ¿Qué parte es esa? Yes, they are transferring the eggs. Mrs. Seahorse, the mother, is transferring the eggs into the father's pouch. Let me find here. This is the picture. Bueno, sin mucho. Okay, good. And this is the first fish that behind the reefs. Remember, trumpet. The trumpet fish. Look. Yes, only one. Here there's only one. This is the trumpet fish.